Hi guys, this is Lisa here with Phillips Chevy in Frankfort. I'm going to be showing you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth on our 2021 Chevy Equinox Premier. So first you want to make sure on your phone you're going to be on settings. You're going to go to connected devices. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. It's going to search for available devices and you want to go to phone on the screen. Connect phone, add phone. It's going to pop up under My Chevrolet on your cell phone. And then we're going to click that once it finds the device. There's going to be a passcode that you have to make sure looks the same on both. Press pair. And then it's going to ask if you want your contacts, call history, everything to stream over. Once it's paired, you go to your home icon. You go to phone, and then everything will be streamed there. Your recent calls, your contacts, any favorites, voicemails, all that. If you have any questions about how to pair Bluetooth on a 2021 Chevy Equinox Premier, ask for me, Lisa G.